Hello and welcome back. This is Rafy once again. In this video, we are going to solve the Ads.txt status not found on your Google AdSense account. So I have applied for Google AdSense in one of my blog site hosted on WordPress, and I'm seeing this status, and we're going to fix this issue in this video. So without further ado, let me take you to my WordPress dashboard, and after that, we're going to install a plugin. So I'm going to take you to plugins, add plugin. And then I'm gonna make a search for the plugin, which is FileStar, and I'm gonna click on install now, and it's time to activate the plugin. So let's click on activate, and after that you can see one of the folders appearing here, file manager. So I'm gonna take you to file manager, and here on this page we have to create a new file for ads.txt. Let's hover over here and then select plain text, and let's name this file to ads.txt and hit enter. And here we go, we have got our file here created. Now it's time to edit the file. So I'm going to double click on it, and then we're going to select text area, and here we go, the editor has been opened up. It's time to go back to our Google AdSense account. And after that, let's click on the website that we want to get our ads.txt code from. So let's click here. And after that, let's click on verify site ownership. And then let's click on ads.txt snippet. And after that, I'm going to click on copy this ads.txt snippet code. Let's go back here. And after that, we're going to paste it right here. After that, we're going to click on save and close. Here you go, the file has been saved. Now if I simply come back here, take you back here and reload this page, it's not gonna work instantly. It might gonna take a few hours to up to few days to get Google AdSense crawler visit our website and then find this ads.txt code. And after that, if they find the code, they will be able to verify our website. So let's just have a look on learners.world. This is our website, and let's try visiting ads.txt and see what happens. Here we go. Now if Google crawler comes visit our website, they will find our Google AdSense account information and the ads information as well, right? So after that, they will verify the site ownership and they will approve the account, or they will start showing ads to our website. So this is it for the video, and after you get your AdSense account approved, you can simply remove this plugin from here. If you don't want, you can simply remove the plugin from here, deactivate it and remove it. That will be good to go. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good one.